Section 6. The Bespoke Experience, Tailoring a Masterpiece to Your Vision. One of the most appealing aspects of owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom is the unparalleled level of customization available. This isn't just about choosing a color or a trim, it's about creating a vehicle that is a true reflection of your personality and style. The Bespoke program allows clients to create a truly unique vehicle. This program is designed to cater to the most discerning tastes, offering a range of options that can transform a car into a personal statement. This vehicle reflects their individual style and preferences. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more avant-garde, the Bespoke program can accommodate your vision. From the exterior paint color to the interior trim, the possibilities are endless. You can choose from a palette of over 44,000 colors, or even create your own custom shade. Clients can choose from a wide range of leather colors and types. The leather is sourced from the finest tanneries in the world, ensuring both quality and luxury. They can select their preferred wood veneers. Each piece of wood is hand-selected and crafted to perfection, adding a touch of natural beauty to the interior. They can even incorporate personal touches. These can range from monograms to unique motifs that hold special meaning to the owner. Some examples include family crests or custom embroidery. These details make the vehicle not just a mode of transport, but a cherished heirloom. The Bespoke team works closely with each client. They take the time to understand your vision, offering expert advice and guidance throughout the customization process. They ensure their vision is brought to life with meticulous attention to detail. Every stitch, every piece of trim, and every element of the car is crafted with precision and care. The result is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that reflects the owner's personality and taste. It's not just a car, it's a work of art, a testament to the owner's individuality and the craftsmanship of Rolls-Royce.